Hello WordPress website creators. In this video we have Cruv, using which we can create creative agencies website. And the Cruv offers multiple pre-made layouts, and all these layouts are really wonderful, modern and good in styling. So if you are targeting an agency website, especially creative agency website, this can be a very good choice. Why so? This is a very new theme and it is available just for $13 at themeforest.net. But yes, you need to watch this complete video before you take a buying decision. And the Groove offers multiple pre-made layouts. You can target a creative studio, digital studio, modern agency, branding agency, digital marketing, IT solution agency, consultant agency, or AI agency. All these in a single theme. So it is really going to be very helpful, and it offers the internal pages as well. So you don't need to create internal pages separately, and you can use all pre-existing pages. Just you need to update your content and you'll be fine to launch your website. So after watching this video, you'll be able to understand how you can install the theme, what are the customization options, how easy it is really going to be. And when you also want to explore more themes, there are hundreds on this WP Themes website as well. So you have hundreds of themes, plugins, and how-to guides on this site. And I'm sure you are a subscriber to this channel as well. So let us start installing this Cruv WordPress theme, and I'm ready with this core and fresh installation. I have this shared hosting. You can also avail the best hosting plans at WP Themes website. And in the theme pack, I got this installable theme file just showing 5 MB inside, so very optimized. And child theme is included, the documentation link, and in the plugin, the core plugin is included. So we are going to use this cruv.zip file for our installation. Installation is going to be simple, but yes, you need to follow the exact steps. It is really very important to choose a perfect theme, and when you are willing to choose perfect theme, so you just need to watch videos on this channel and you'll get all the solution regarding your WordPress website. Even you are not aware how you can go with all WordPress things, you can learn everything here on this channel. So we have installed the theme and activated as well. So we can begin installing plugins. Here are the list of plugins. So I am going to select all and click on install. So I can see the Cruv core plugin is here, the classic editor for editing the content, widgets, and the contact form 7 as usual. Elementor is the page builder that has been used and it is widely being used for creating WordPress website. MailChimp for subscription, email subscription, and one-click demo import is also here. Definitely we will import the demo content. And as you can see, during our discussion, all the plugins had been successfully installed without any error and trouble within few seconds only. We can come back to the plugin installer screen now, and this time I will select all again to activate in a single click. All good. Come back to the dashboard, and now we got some new navigations. I'll explain these new things as well. But yes, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme. Yes, all set of plugins installed, theme is installed itself, but yet not demo content. So what will be the next step? To import the demo content. Under appearance menu, you can find the import demo data. And here we have option to click on import demo data, only one option. So we can go with continue and import. So this process may take time importing demo content as it is connected to developer server. It is bringing all the images, pages at your installation, and after completing this step, our demo website will be ready and we will be fine to update the content to launch our new and dream website. I'll show you all the navigation links and options. So just watch the rest of part of video as well. Meanwhile, you can explore other videos on this channel. So and if you have any question, don't hesitate in asking any question here on the iCreate program on the live chat. So you can go here and you can connect a mentor on the live chat. You can ask any question for free related to your WordPress website, and we will try our level best to answer all your relevant questions. While the demo import is going on, you should not disturb the process. What you can do, you can open media library in another tab, and if you are getting images here, it means all is going fine. And in just few seconds, we got 136 media items. So we need to wait on this screen until we are getting any message. And it hardly took around 3 minutes, hardly 3 minutes to reach on this screen for me, and it is happily saying import complete. Congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So the first step is going to be to refresh this page to check our new website, and I'm sure yes, it is amazingly here. And I got all the stuffs, all the elements here. Surprisingly, it is very smooth, and for a new version of theme, because we used the very first version of this launch, and it is really impressive. The design, aesthetics, and all the elements I got here. So it goes without saying, all the things running smoothly. And if we check the other layouts, okay, so this is the same. And the other pages, the design studio, we can say, yes, it is here. Oh, great. So we got all the home pages as well. We can be fine to choose any of these home pages, what we want to have. And for our digital marketing, let us randomly check this. Yes, so digital marketing is here. Wonderful, cool, present, and professional. So, and the internal pages, well established. So what you need else? In just $13, you are going to get all these things. So I don't think this is a matter of big deal. So it is time to take the decision. Simply follow the video description link, go to the themeforest.net and book this theme for your wonderful website in this just $13. So this is I believe this is intro sale. Yes, it is intro sale is going on. So grab this opportunity. You are going to get the quality check by Envato, the future updates for this theme, all future updates, and 6 months support from the theme developers. So the original developers are Theme Ops. I congratulate the team who made this wonderful theme, and I am sure it is going to be very successful. So I believe this updates are going to be release regularly. So I'm using the very first version, and I'm recording the video after release. So I'm happy, and now I'm taking you to the backend again to show you all the things what we got. So first of all, if we talk about the media items, how many media contents, how many media items are included, all images are here, I can see, and 248 media items included. And if we talk about the header and footer builder, the max navigation. So here we can control all the footers and headers, what is being used at your selected home page. Similarly, we have the service, and all can be edited using the Elementor or the classic editors. Similarly, we have projects. And what is next? Themes. So these new navigations are just to help to find our content, what is being at the website, being used at the website. In the theme panel, what is here? So we can check. This is the Cruv theme panel, and here are the most basic things that we can customize or set for our website. So like preloader and HBZ enable option, the typography options, the back on top, and if it is not opening up the new screen, like I just click on back out top or the header and footer type, what you have to do, just click on this and refresh the page. And this is a very simple and important hack. So don't worry. So you can open the all the links here. So just go to the link. If it is not opening the grid, so select the link and refresh the page. It will open the desired thing. So we have headers, and like we have multiple headers here. You can select the desired header. So logo and all basic things. So it is all good, and I'm sure you'll be able to handle all these things. And if you have any question, simply write in the comment or get in touch with a mentor here who can answer most of your questions related to WordPress website. So I feel this is going to be a perfect choice for your agency website, and you have multiple options to choose and compare here on the WP Themes website as well. So in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for you for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.